Hi. Welcome to the new video of PowerPoint card design series. Today, we are going to make this PowerPoint presentation. So, let's get started. At first, add a rounded corner rectangle shape. Now, add a rectangle shape. Pressing Ctrl, select both shapes and merge shapes to intersect. Delete the unnecessary parts. Now, add a rectangle shape. Fill color and a shadow effect. Send it to back. Select all and press Ctrl+D to make duplicates. Now, set background color and add colors to the shapes. Add your desired texts. Select the slide and press Ctrl+D to make duplicate. Here I'm adding these shapes for proper alignment. Continue the same process for rest of the slides. Now, delete the unnecessary shapes. Pressing Ctrl, select all the slides and add Morph Transition. Now, it's time to add animation. We are all set. That's all for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe the channel. For any query, you can comment below.